Hello, second grade students. We're back again with our classes with our book American Think, presentation plus number 1. So we're going to continue our activities. Remember, we're in unit 9, The Wonders of the World, and we are going to be on page 86. This is 84, 85, and 86. No? Now let's see. Here says page 86. And this is our activity. Now we have the first part says grammar comparative adjective. No, so in this case we are going to see a chart that you need to complete. Okay, this is our chart. So it says, look at the article on page 84. Again, find example of comparisons, then complete the table on the right. Now let's see. Here I have the table, and here is the reading. Amazing people. No, we did this last class. So remember, when we talk about comparative, we talk about adjective. No, you need to be careful. We use adjective. And for this activity, I sent you a list of adjectives. Remember? The idea is to know as much adjective as you can so that you can use them in a comparative form. The problem is if you don't know the adjective. No, that is the problem. Now let's see. There are four kinds of adjectives. A short adjective, only one syllable. Okay, only one. For example, small, big, hot. No, one syllable. The other example of a comparative are adjectives ending in consonant plus y. For example, happy, dry, and early. Now, those adjectives follow a rule. Okay, we're going to check it later. Another one is a longer adjective, two or more syllables. Two or more syllables. They follow a different rule. And finally, we have irregular adjective. So as its name says, irregular, they don't follow rules. Well, let's start at the beginning. Short adjective, only one syllable, like small, big, or hot. Okay, the common rule for comparative says you write the adjective, as you know, small, small, and you add the ending er. No, look, this is the adjective small, and here is small once again, but with the ending er. No, small, smaller. No, between brackets and down is the comparison. The comparison. Okay, small, smaller. Well, in this case, there is big and hot. Those cases are very similar, but there is an extra rule. It says that consonant, vowel, consonant, the last consonant, in this case letter G, repeat. For example, big, big with double G and ER, bigger. The same consonant, vowel, consonant. What happened to the last consonant? So you write hot, no? As you know, hot. But the rule says that you need to add another T and ER, hotter, or hotter than. Okay, this is for one syllable. For example, short, shorter, large, larger, tall, taller, no? It's like this. Now, the second rule says adjective ending in consonant plus y. In consonant and then letter y. For example, happy, dry, and early. Okay, this rule is very interesting because, first of all, remember, ending in consonant plus y. Okay, plus y. In this case, letter y change into I. No, change into I. For example, happy in a comparative adjective, letter Y change into I. Happy and you add er, happier. Happy, happier. Okay, mister. The rule says letter Y change into I. So dry, drier. Early, earlier. Than. Okay. Happier than, drier than, earlier than. Okay. We have two rules. Now let's continue with the third rule. The third rule says longer adjective, two or more syllables. Remember, in this case you need to be careful because in some cases there are adjectives that you can add er, but in other cases follow this rule. For example, attractive, attractive, beautiful, beautiful, two or three syllables. For example, in the case of beautiful, you don't add er, no er, but you add more at the beginning. You say more beautiful, sorry, more beautiful. Remember, two or three syllables, or more maybe, okay? For example, attractive, attractive. Aha, more attractive. Okay, perfect. We have rule number one, short adjective, only one syllable. Rule number two, adjective ending in consonant plus y. Rule number three, longer adjective, two or more syllables. And finally, we have irregular adjective. In the irregular adjective, in this case, we have three examples, bad, good, and for. For example, why irregular? Because they don't follow the rules. No, you don't write more, or you don't change y into I, or you don't add er. They transform complete. For example, if I say bad, the comparative form is worse. If I say far, could be farther or farther with letter A or with letter U. There is no problem. In the case of good, you say better. Okay? Let's remember small, smaller or smaller than. Big, bigger, bigger than. Hot, hotter, hotter than. Happy, happier, happier than. Dry, drier, drier than. Early, earlier, earlier than. Attractive, more attractive than. Beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful than. Bad, worse or worse than. Good, better or better than. Far, farther, farther than. Now let's check if those answers are correct. 1, 2, 3. Those answers are correct. So you can take notes, you can write on your books or your notebooks. Okay, you can stop the video and I can continue. Then you can play once again. Okay, well done. Okay, let's continue. So the idea for comparative adjective, remember, is to compare two people, two animals, or two things. Only two. No three, no four, no one. Two. Here I have an example. Here says, read and complete. Use a comparative form of the adjective. The adjective are in brackets, okay? Are adjective, no comparative yet, okay? Adjective. Africa is big. Remember the rule? Yes. Bigger than South America. Okay. Africa is bigger than South America, but small, smaller, very good, smaller than Asia. So here I am using the comparative adjective. Remember, are the adjective plus er, but following some rules, okay? No problem. Be careful of spiders in the Kalahari. They are, add between brackets, I say dangerous. More dangerous, okay? Perfect. More dangerous than the ones at home. No, more dangerous. Cars these days are, no, between brackets we have good. Aha, yes, you're right. Good is an irregular one. Better, no? Cars these days are better quality than they were 30 years ago. So cars from now are better than cars from the past. Okay? Now, for me, number 4, for me vacations in the Kalahari are, between brackets, interesting. Aha, more interesting. My sister has 2 children. Her son is 9, his sister is 2 years. 2 years? I've been with bracket is young. Mister, we haven't seen young. Ah, there's no problem. Young. How many syllables? 1. Perfect. So, what's the rule? Young finishes in Y? No. What's the rule? ER. Perfect. Younger. That's easy. Number 6. Young is a musician. It's, between brackets, easy. Aha. Easy. Yes, but remember there is a rule. The adjective ending in consonant plus Y. Aha, change, no? Easier. Okay, let's see if your answers are right. 1, 2, 3. Good job, boys and girls. Good job. No? Remember, you need to practice. If you know the adjective very well, the comparative is a piece of cake. Okay, very, very easy. Okay, you can stop the video and I can continue with the activity. Then you play once again. Okay? Thank you. Okay, in this part, we're going to continue with a vocabulary part. There is a picture, no? There is a picture and says vocabulary, geographical features. Now we're talking about geography, no? And different places, no? For example, we have ocean, hill, mountain, jungle, river, desert, lake, beach, and island. Once again, listen and repeat. Ocean, hill, mountain, jungle, river, desert, lake, beach, island. Aha, that's good. Now let's see. The idea is to listen, but I know you know the vocabulary. Okay, there's no problem. Now let's see. Here I have the vocabulary. So, for example, if let's see an easy one. Okay, let's see number 1. Ocean. Where is the ocean? Yeah, what is the water? No, the big amount of water here. Where is the desert? Yes, where is the cactus? Okay, desert. Next, where is the jungle? Where are the plants? Perfect. What about the island? Yes, here is the island. No island, island. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue with river. What is the river? This or that? Okay, this one. And what about the beach? Perfect. What about the forest? Here or there? Here. Okay. What about the lake? Okay, this is the lake. And the hill here and the mountain over there. Now let's see if the answers are correct. One, two, three. Yes, no? The island, the ocean, the beach, the jungle, the lake, the river, the hill, the desert, the forest, and the mountain. So listen, with this vocabulary, we can work the comparative adjective. For example, I can say, which is the beautiful, which beach is beautiful, Cerro Azul or Asia or Asia, as you know, no? You can say Cerro Azul is more beautiful, no, than Asia, or Asia is more beautiful than Cerro Azul. Okay, you can write on your books and I can continue. Okay, you can stop the video and then play once again. Okay, let's see. In this part, I have a speaking time. Working pairs, ask your partner to close their books and then ask them about the picture. What's an A? No, remember, you have to remember. I think I'm not sure if I can remember. Is it, can you give me the first letter, please? No? It's like a guessing. For example, okay, I don't remember. Can you help me? Yes, it starts with letter F. Forest. No? Or maybe you can say the answer if you remember. For example, I say student A asks and student B closes their book. So for example, student B, what's on letter F? What's F? And if you remember, you can say lake. No? But if you don't remember, you can say I don't remember. Can you help me? I'm not sure. Can you give me the first letter? Okay, letter L. Lake. No, it's like a game. We're going to play this activity in our virtual class. Okay. Now let's continue. Working pairs compare some of the places. Use the adjective in the list to help you, or use another adjective. In this case, it's optional. Okay, hot, big, dangerous, high, nice, difficult, beautiful, and exciting are optional. You can use other adjectives. A mountain is higher than a hill. No, a mountain. Yes, and it's more difficult to climb a mountain. In this case here I have some sentences. We can also make some questions. For example, which is higher, the Andes or the Himalayas? No, which is higher? No, higher. You can say the Andes is higher than the Himalayas. Other people say no, the Himalayas is higher than the Andes. So in this case, you need to know about geography. So, and the correct answer is the Himalayas. The Himalayas is higher than the Andes. Another question. Remember, which, when I say which, is for animals or things, okay? Which is faster? Faster. Fast, no? Faster. Which is faster? The rabbit or the turtle? The turtle is faster than the rabbit. Or for example, what about person? What about people? I say who is who is I don't know taller. No, who is taller? Teacher. Let me see. Teacher Gustavo or teacher Alan? Who is taller? You can. Some people say. Some students say teacher Gustavo is taller than teacher Alan, or teacher Alan is taller than teacher Gustavo. So there are your answers. Okay. Well, we finished this activity. What can you do? You can practice your vocabulary, you can practice the adjective, and everything is going to be easy for you. Okay? The idea is to practice, and also you can work your activities. Remember, don't forget your activities. Okay, class, it's been a pleasure to work with you. See you next Friday. Friday is our virtual class. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye, class.